Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're gonna show you a new tool that the App2Car video streamer has, which is this has a USB port and we can plug in a USB key that probably we have with some videos or some music into it, and it will play the videos and the music from the USB key into your car screen. So we'll show you right now how it works. Simply, we just plug the USB of the App2Car into the device so it gets recognized, and we're just gonna wait for the App2Car to be recognized by your car radio. By the way, this is a Kia Sportage 2019 where I'm installing this. So we're gonna wait for a couple of seconds until it starts reading the USB device and says hi onto the product. And ready. The App2Car is ready to be used. It says, for your safety, please don't watch videos while driving. I know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug into the USB port my key, like that, and then we're gonna go to the menu of the device and we're gonna select USB drive. Immediately it's going to read the USB key that I have, and it's going to find all the music and the videos. In this USB key I have three songs and 4 videos. So I'm just gonna go for the music first. Just click. This one is Latin music that we have selected. And the beauty is that you can use your steering wheel controls to move to the next song that is in the USB drive. So simply just go like this, and it goes to the next song. And of course I can go down on the volume or mute it. So full usage of the steering wheel controls for this. And of course you can touch if you want to stop there. So now let's play a video. I have a movie there. So we simply go to video. I have Austin Powers here on the USB key. Just simply click there, and there we go. Austin Powers there. Excellent resolution. The beauty is that I can move both forwards and backwards on the video just using my fingers. Yeah, or I can do it like with this, of course. And pause it. The same thing, if I want to use my controls, my steering wheel controls, if I put the volume up and down, it's perfect. If I move this, it's gonna go to the next movie. If I have different video clips or movies, if I click here, it's gonna go to the next one. Yeah, for example, that's another video that I have of me testing a product. Hi guys, this is David from Smart World. We're here to install. Yeah, and this is the video from Austin Powers again. So there we go. Now we can play music, videos that we have on a USB key through the App2Car device on the screen of your cars. And if you have any questions, please go to www.smartworldcompany.com, where we have more information about the products and you can ask us any questions. Thank you very much and have a great day.